it's Dr. Ray. I'm here to walk you through why we're using BoodleBox, how to use it. This video will be like 1 minute long. Again, I want you to try to engage with AI if you're comfortable with it, because AI is expanding across the workforce. It's already being used in hospitals and for businesses, and chatbots are almost every major corporate page. And I want you to be able to use it in critical, ethical ways that never compromise your writer's voice. And we're using BoodleBox because it uses less energy, because environmental concerns are real, and it protects your privacy. And you can just use your school email account. This does not have to touch any other facet of your life. So what you'll do is you go to Google, and you can just type in BoodleBox AI, and it's right there, BoodleBox AI. Make sure it's got the purple logo, and you want to hit Get Started. Now, I would hit Sign Up with Google because it doesn't link directly to our Delaware County account. You're going to have to do that. So you hit Sign Up with Google and add another account, and you would put your Delaware County account email right here, and it would take you through those next steps. Now, I can't use that because I've already done that with my Delaware County account. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. That's Delaware County. And boom, I'm there. The page is going to look like this. It's going to say, "Hi, Susan, what's on your mind?" So, of course, it will have your name. What you can do here is you can ask it anything like, when do the 76ers play next? And where and how much are tickets? And before I ask that question, something to keep in mind is down here, you can choose which large language model you want to answer that question. That could be Perplexity, Claude, Google Gemini. It has Nano Banana if you want to do cool images. So it's just really interesting. So let's have Gemini, which is Google's AI, answer it. So you can do that, and it's going to slowly answer that question. Now, we're doing lots of cool things in this class. We're going to have to ask it more complex questions, like, I just did this reading, and I think this is a concern. What do you think? Or have these two characters interact. Again, whatever feedback you get from AI, we're going to copy and paste that right in your AI transparency journals. So I will show you what that looks like. So it is breaking down for me when the 76ers are playing, when, where, and how much. So I would take the whole conversation, right? Copy it, Control C, go into my AI transparency journal, put in a date, paste the whole thing, and then just one sentence of how I thought that output was. So I might go back and check and say, oh, well, this is, this looks pretty good. I might ask it to share links so I can make sure there's not any errors. The worst thing would be to show up to a basketball game and it got the date wrong. But again, we're using BoodleBox. If you have questions or concerns, reach out, and I'm excited to see what you make of this tool.